dear dear one on now would be the moon. And yet, dear, come to oh, yeah, no more there.
Yeah, no fever. Sorry, it's a man and I will show almost what you want nowadays. Oh, there, how? Oh, yeah, maybe for my punching way. You don't want to. Check your punching way. No free. Let's control this thing. It's a generic. You don't want to be here. You know, I'm better than you. I want to be with you and I have. Enti preaching pa na ye preach ya enti ka wo beti no we na get it no dey mo bible dey film ko ma bushum quotation of him that must say quite that quite yeah man so because as oh sorry yeah man foul you man Timi a show about to say na so Ghana girl ma sure o mo se be ma di uni se me kwa edi ko mu nyina o ma nya la ba boss pa you guys no Twitter was the shaky. Did you say